Yes, I'm starting out the video in a disposable shower cap. That's how we do it here. What's poppin'? It's your girl Jazzy J. How y'all doing today? Welcome to my channel. Today is Thursday, which means it's a natural hair tip day, and I'm going to tell you how I achieved this beautiful style of flat twist into 2-strand twists. My skin's looking greasy. Got some greasy chicken skin anyway. So today was a wash day. Well, okay, it was supposed to be a wash day. Your girl ain't got any cleansers and she has to go to the store to get some. So I needed deep conditioning, which I need to get more into. Need to do it once every week or something like that. Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna be real. I've been lazy. I've been very lazy. I have not detangled my hair in like a month. Now that I think about it, it might have been like a month and a half. Either way, it needed to get done. Today's little hair mask, which has been sitting in my hair for quite some time now, is a mix of, so this is a nice little combination of calendula flower, slippery elm, arrowroot, neem, turmeric. I think that's it. I could go into detail about what each thing does, but I feel like that should be a different video completely. So I made that concoction, and I did a mixture of just water and I think I did tea tree essential oil. Basically what I did was I just sectioned off my hair, sprayed it, like got it nice and wet, put in the hair mask, and then detangled it with the brush I showed you guys in the previous video. So I started doing my hair at about 11 o'clock today. It is now close to 5:30, 6 o'clock-ish. I will be making my own flaxseed gel. After I finish that, I twisted it and wrapped it around it itself, made a little bantu knot, put it on a disposable shower cap, and then steamed my hair with the steamer I talked about for about 45 minutes, something like that. And then I came out from the steamer and I just let it sit and permeate my hair. I'm probably not going to share the recipe in this video. I'll just make a separate short little video or little section of just making hair products and do it that way. That way there's like, it's dedicated just to that. So what I'm going to do is show you how my hair looks now, and then I'm going to go wash out the product, and then I'll show you guys what my hair looks like wet, and then I'm going to do 2-strand twists and give a short little tutorial on that. So this is my hair out. As you can see, it's like bantu all over. This is how it is. I've just kind of been letting the hair mask just sit and do its thing for a few hours. As a side note, if you want to use turmeric, which is great for your hair, it's great for your skin, it's great for your body, it's just great, it tastes great too, like in curry, it stains everything yellow, literally everything. So if you do decide to use it, make sure you are 1, wearing clothes you do not care about. 2, have a towel around you that you do not care about. 3, if you are detangling, make sure that all of your combs or brushes or whatever you use, you do not care about, because they will never be the same color ever again. And I've had towels I didn't know the first time where I liked the towels, and I used it and I washed it. It's still yellow, and I used the turmeric back in May. It's crazy. So yeah, let me go wash it out, and then I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like wet. Looky! So everything is washed out. My hair is super soft and squeaky clean, surprisingly. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is grab my gel and start sectioning off my hair and 2-strand twist it. Okay, so if y'all got yourself some big old clips, you're gonna need them. If not, you're gonna do it the old-fashioned way, and you're just gonna section and hold it with your mouth. Before I forget, I have made this lovely little concoction here, which I like to call is a tea spray. And basically what I did was I mixed marshmallow root, rose hip, and fenugreek seeds. And I took those, put them into a big heat-safe bowl, boiled about 2.5 cups of water, and poured that into the dried herbs and seeds, and then I put on a lid onto the heat-safe bowl and just let it simmer and steep for a few hours. If you can, it's better to go ahead and let it sit for the whole night, at least 8 hours. That way it's super potent and great for your hair. All of these things have wonderful benefits for your hair, but again, I will get into all of that in a different video. This here is my lovely flaxseed gel that I have made. I made it very recently, like legitimately just earlier today, and it is still a little bit warm, but if I were to open up the container, I know it looks kind of like a liquid, but it's very much gel. And the cooler it is, the thicker it's going to become. Disclaimer, I'm not using a mirror, so we're gonna see how this is gonna go. Alright, so I did the same thing. I sectioned off my hair. Side note about the lines going down in the middle here, I've done 2-strand twists enough times that my hair has kind of like memorized the pattern in which I like to do it. But if it is your first time doing 2-strand twists, then I encourage you to use a comb or use a pick or something. Use something small that you can easily section off your hair, so that you don't have to worry about like strands of hair being instead of being in this one, it's maybe in this one, or maybe it's like up here or this and that. If you don't care, then do what you need to do. But again, my hair is just kind of adjusted to that because I do 2-strand twists a lot. So yeah. So again, just gonna take the hair. I start at the very top. Boop, like that. Split it just like you would with a braid, except it's only 2. Oh my gosh, the position I'm sitting in is so awkward. Okay, anyway. And you're gonna twist it and grab a section of hair. Okay. Twist it again on itself. Oh, this is terrible. Oh my gosh. Okay. And just kind of keep going down like that. I can't sit like that anymore, I'm sorry. I tried. Make sure you don't have any other parts of your hair in it, and good. Get down to here and just do regular twist. It's going straight down. And for this, I think it's nice because the longer your hair is, the bigger you can make them. But the shorter your hair is, the smaller you can make them. So it's a nice technique that is universal for all hair lengths and all hair types, honestly. Except for like super straight hair. Your hair has to be able to hold a curl on its own. Otherwise it's not going to particularly work, and then I would advise you to go into braids. But for 2-strand twists, so long as you have like 1 inch to 2 inches of hair, you're pretty set. And even then, if you have like some mad skills and mad talent, like you have less hair than that, you can still make it work. It just depends on how big or how small you want them. So yeah. I feel like I was gonna say something. I can't remember. Alright, real quickly, I mean, I'm not gonna keep it like this, but I will show you the other way of doing 2-strand twists. If you want to do it like the faster way or whatever, you literally just section off a piece of hair like this, like you did in the beginning, and just split it just like that, and just kind of twist your way down. So that's the main difference between 2-strand twists. Well, at least 2-strand twists and flat twists, and then like twist it going down. Okay, you see the difference? So this is the flat twist going into 2-strand, and this is just like the simple 2-strand twist. So I took it out. I won't take it out now. It's gonna take me a little while. I ain't gonna torture you guys and make you watch me do my hair the entire time. Although if you want me to do like a tutorial like this where I just kind of like do my hair and like watch something and comment, I don't know. Like I can do something like that if it's like calming for some people. That's fine. I can do that. Yeah, you can just kind of let me know in the comments like what you want me to do with that, but I'm kind of fine with doing something like that. Maybe not specifically this, because this can take a few hours if I'm very slow and careful about it, but if you want to sit down and watch me do this for a few hours, like I'm not gonna object. This would be a very long video though, so I would have to cut it in places. But yeah, just let me know in the comments. Alright, so I'm going to keep doing my hair, and I will update you guys periodically on how it's going. I'll see you guys on the other side. We're getting there. So I've made progress. Clearly. I think what I'll do is just take this part, just plop it over, so I just kind of have like this half part coming down or something. I will say, this style looks very nice, but like, goddamn, why is it so time consuming? I started this at like 8 p.m.-ish, and it's almost 10 o'clock. When people say that their arms get stronger because of this, they're not lying. It's been some time. think we're going on like 3 hours. I have one left. One. Let's go ahead and finish this up. And I'm done! Woo! It feels so nice to be done. Gosh, it's a feeling. Yeah, this is flat twist into 2-strand twists. Like I said earlier, my hair pretty much just kind of like memorized how I typically section it out, so I don't have to worry about using a comb or anything like that to make the lines, and you know, I just try to make it as nice and neat as possible just using my fingers, because ain't nobody got time to be finding a comb and doing all that. I ain't got the time for that. But yeah, really straightforward, really easy, really simple. Ooh, we gotta do the beauty shot. Hold on, give me a second. I will say this is typically what I do for my hair. The gel that I make, normally I add vegetable glycerin into it because it helps draw the moisture from the surrounding air into my hair. I don't have any vegetable glycerin at the moment, so I just kind of had to do it without. So this week, which will be an interesting time, I will steam my hair at least 30 minutes every day, and hopefully that will have some sort of positive effect on my hair. Well, again, I am low porosity. This is what I do. Depending if you're normal porosity or high porosity, you may do something different. High porosity, you may put in these two things that I put in and then do a heavy duty oil over top of it so that your hair is nice and moisturized, but it's not going to go anywhere. If you're normal, maybe you do these two things and you change the gel, or maybe you don't have to worry about doing the water tea spray, or maybe you don't worry about having to do the gel. Maybe you can just do the water and some oil. I mean, it just kind of, it varies on what you like, what your hair likes. So this is literally just the tutorial on how to do the style, and then everything else, you do what your hair wants. Don't listen to the way I do things, I only give suggestions. So, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll figure out what to do for my story times. A lot has happened, so I might just talk about that instead of it being a story time, just more like an update on my life and how I'm doing. Or, I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. Alright, so go ahead, if you like this video, click the thumbs up, click the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you know when I post another video, and I will see you later.